Meghalaya government has decided to impose curfew along the international border with Bangladesh. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police Preston Thinsong said the curfew will be from 6 p.m. in the evening to 6 a.m. in the morning and will be implemented only 200 meters inside the Indian territory. Stating that BSF is having 9 battalions guarding the territory of India in Meghalaya sector, he said the government of India is ready to send more paramilitary forces in the near future.
Today we decided to impose curfew all along the international border with Bangladesh from tonight itself, and this curfew will be implemented only up to 200 meters inside the Indian territory from the 0 point or from the pillar, we call it, from the pillar, from the international pillar, 200 meters inside the Indian territory from 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. in the morning every day